Without wasting our time, let's quickly look at this mathematics question. We have to express this 3x plus 2 all divided by x minus 1 times x plus 1 in its partial fraction. Now, we want to resolve this into partial fraction. How can we do that? Follow me. We are given 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 x plus 1. Now, if you look at this partial fraction very well, you can see that the degree power of this numerator is not greater than the degree power of this denominator. So that means we use linear partial fraction to solve this, so that we can have this one as what? This one is equal to what? A over what? X minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. Now, we can equate this one as 3x plus 2 is equivalent to, now, let's look for the LCM here. We have the LCM as x minus 1, x plus 1. Now, this one we are left with only x plus 1. X minus 1, x plus 1 divided by this, we are left with only x plus 1. X plus 1, that will be a times x plus 1 plus the same thing, x plus 1 plus x plus 1 we cancel out, we are left with only x minus 1. That will be b times x minus 1. So that means it's equivalent to what? A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. So that's what we have. Now, we can use cover up method or comparing the coefficient. Now, let's use comparing the coefficient method to solve this. So we have 3x plus 2 is equivalent to, now let's expand this. We have it as ax plus a plus this one, that will be bx, b times x, that's bx minus b. Now we have 3x plus 2 equal to, now don't forget we want to use comparing the coefficients. This one have the same coefficient with this one have the same variable. So let's collect the like term. So we have ax plus bx plus a minus b. Now we have 3x plus 2. Now x is common, we factor out x into a plus b plus a minus b. Now let's compare the coefficient now. This one have the coefficient of x, this one have the coefficient of x. So we can have it as 3x will be equal to what? X into a plus b. So this x can cancel this x here. We have it as 3 is equal to a plus b. Now let's call this one equation 1. Now let's compare the coefficient of this one. This one, a minus b, will be equal to 2 because it's a constant number. So that means 2 will now be equal to what? A minus b. Let's have it as equation 2. Now we can solve it simultaneously. Let's add equation 1 and 2. So add equation 1 and equation 2. We have it as 3 plus 2, we have it as 5 equal to a plus a. We have it as 2a plus b minus b. That will be 0. So that means we are left with what? 5 equal to, so a will now be equal to what? 5 over 2. So the value of a here is 5 over 2. Now to get b, put a equal to 5 over 2 into any of these equations. Let's put it to equation 1. So into equation 1, we have it as, that will be 3 equal to a. We have our a as 5 over 2 plus b. So we have it as what? 3. If this one comes, it comes minus 5 over 2 equal to b. Now let's look for the LCM. LCM here is 2. That will be 6 minus 2 in 1. That's 2. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2 into 1. 1 times 5. That's 5. So 6 minus 5, we have it as what? 1 over 2 equal to b. So the value of b here is 1 over 2. Now let's go back to our partial fraction. So we have it as what? So that means our 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to the value of a. Let's substitute it. That will be what? 5 over 2 times x minus 1 plus b, the value of b, which we have it as 1 over 2 into what? S plus 1. So this is the final answer for this particular question. Please don't forget to follow, share and like so that others can benefit. Thanks.